Now, welcome back to the channel. It's Matthew Vick and the JoJo Lena. And today we're going to break it down where you can get an NPR Isuzu dump truck with a liftgate. So stay tuned for the video. It's going to be an awesome video because why, JoJo? Why are we making this video?
Because people ask us all the time, how do you like your dump truck? Where did you get your dump truck? So we're going to answer all those questions today.
So stay tuned for the video. Make sure you smash that like button if you love me and the JoJo. Now let's do it. Now you're looking at a 2019 Isuzu light duty dump truck. This thing has a V8 6.0 liter gasoline engine. It gets about 12 miles per gallon and it can haul up to 2 tons. That's 4,000 pounds. And this thing is custom built with the toolbox and everything. So we're gonna break that all down for you guys and check out the most important thing you can ever get with a dump truck. A lot of places don't make these, but guess what? We know the place that does. That bad boy. Look at that ass right there. It's the liftgate. That is a game changer in the trash business right there.
So one of the custom things we had done is we had them flip the inside of the body out so that this part is completely smooth. Because if you don't do that, you end up having ridges and it's much harder to put your decals. And we wanted, a really good smooth surface so that we could lay our decals out and it would be flat. And it is a moving billboard. When we park this, when we go to eat, we park this in busy parking lots. Just even in front of customers' houses. Neighbors will come by and they'll see it. Sometimes they'll take a picture of it. And it's a great advertisement. I cannot even begin to tell you how many jobs we've got off of having this on the side of our truck.
Now let's talk about the important stuff you really want to know. The price on this bad boy, when I bought it in 2019, it was $64,000. Right now with the coronavirus, with all the shortage going on, it costs around $70,000. Now let me tell you, the best $3,500 I ever spent was adding this liftgate right here. And there's a button over here you push and switch it on, which I'll show you guys. To make the liftgate active right here, I'll hit that bad boy. Bam! Now I'm ready to go in the back and drop the liftgate. And this thing can hold up to 2,000 pounds, this liftgate right here. So here's the switch right here to go up and down with the liftgate. And what I'll do is I'll lift it up, grab this handle right here, pull it, and let the liftgate down. That's how you do it. That's how you release the liftgate. Tell me that ain't a game changer right there. Check that out. Makes life so easy. And something else I love about the liftgate is you can use it for a step. Like I'll bring it up right about there. I'll grab some trash, whatever I'm grabbing, walk up here and just toss it over. It makes life so easy. Just grab stuff, come back and drop it over. You're not over here trying to toss over the sides or have to walk up a ramp. It just makes it easy. Damn.
One of the things I love about the truck is with a push of the button, it has an electric tarp. So it is, you push the button and it tarps itself. You can open and close it. You're not, climbing up and doing bungee cords and having to get the tarp up there yourself. So that's one of the best features, I think, is that you could just push a button and open up the tarp, close the tarp. So another option we had was getting the toolbox custom built. And this is really a lifesaver because you can hold so much in this toolbox. So we obviously keep our dolly, we keep our tools. On the other side, we actually have garbage cans and it fits multiple garbage cans. So this is very roomy and it really does help you stay more organized and you're not having to dig for stuff. Our power tools are on this side, garbage cans are on the other side, other toolboxes are on the other side. Right here we have the dolly and we just always know where everything is. And also right here safely holds our brooms and on the other side we have our rakes. So You know, part of this job is your job is easier when you are organized.
Now, the best thing about having a dump truck like this is you don't need no special license or nothing. You can have a normal driver's license and you're good. And I'm 6'4", 240 pounds, and there's plenty of headroom, plenty of body room. It's just real comfortable, ain't it?
It is a very comfortable drive. I've loved this ever since we got it.
Now, let me show you where we keep some of our other stuff, like our gloves, our business cards, and our dumper seats.
So our gloves we keep up here, right above our heads. Very easy to get to, you know, right before you start a job, grab your gloves. There's even a spot right here for business cards, so you always know where those are, because we actually had 2 people ask us for business cards today. So you always want to know where your business cards are. And then right here in the glove box, we found is a wonderful place to keep your dump receipts.
Now, if you're like me, you like to drink a lot and eat a lot, and you can keep a 40-ounce Slurpee right here. There's 4 cup holders. There's plenty of spaces to keep drinks and your snacks. Like, I keep my snacks back here. There's a lot of room back there for like cat litter, if you ever have an oil spill, or maybe you want to store some masks back here, or even some oil for your chainsaw. So there's so much extra space here in this dump truck. Now, one of the best things I love about this dump truck is the turning radius. This thing turns on a dime, and you can get in places you can't get with a truck and trailer. And trust me, I love my truck and trailer, but I love this bad boy a whole lot more, because there's so many different times we pull up to a job and there's no way we can get a truck and trailer in there, but we got it in there with this bad boy. Ain't that right, JoJo?
Yeah, it is absolutely one of my favorite things about this truck.
It turns on a dime. Now, just like that, that's the dump truck, and the real question is, where can you get one at? I have people call me all around the world asking, Matt, how'd you get that thing with a liftgate? No one does it. Well, here's the breakdown and here's the plug. Actually got it from Monarch Trucks in San Jose from Bob who, JoJo?
Bob Padilla, and you'll definitely want to ask for him if you contact them and let him know that Sonoma Strong sent you.
So Monarch Trucks in San Jose, California. You want to talk to Bob. His cell phone number is 510-520-3293. You want to talk to Bob and let him know that Matthew and the JoJo from Sonoma Strong Holland sent you. So that's the plug.
That is, and it doesn't matter what industry you're doing. Doesn't matter if you're doing moving, junk removal, landscaping, because they got a truck for you.
So we'll catch you guys on the next video, and we love all you guys.